White ball. Mr. Benjamin, isn't it what? Mr. Benjamin, white ball. White ball?
Nope.
Darn.
That's a white ball.
I know. David, I mean, Jaden, that's not defense. Come on, let's go. Watch him cut it. Hey, if you guys were spread out and good, Emery, you would have had the ball. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, one of his back. One of his back. Watch him! Dude, you're traveling every time. Jacob, go right up with that. You hear me? Go right up with that. Go, Jacob, run! All right, I'm done. Done. Jeremiah, go get Jacob. I'm done. You got to be running. You got to be running. Watch. Timeout, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. I went over it at halftime. I said, you got to be spread out. You guys are already, I don't care how spread out you are, you got to be more spread out because that pass to the cutter is there. You guys aren't even doing that. If I see your body language like this again, I'm just going to sit everybody down because you're the leader on the team. Okay, I'm going to sit everybody down. How did that transition defense go right here for us too, on top of it? Huh? Why are we jogging on D? Huh? Why do I have one player up on the man? Correct it now. I'm going to go correct it, coach.
I'm going to correct it, coach.
All right, let's go. Coach up 3. 1, 2, 3. Our ball. Aiden, spread out the white line. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Pop top. Pop top. That's you, late. You should have been in there. Don't move anywhere. You just know. 1, 2, 3, 4, You're in? You're going too. You 5, go check in now. I'm done watching this garbage. Guys, I don't play. I don't play. Start playing defense. That's ridiculous. You guys better chat and figure it out now if you're going to play defense. Otherwise, you're going to sit there the rest of the game. You hear me? I don't play. I don't play. You're on the court to do something, not watch it.
We're still in it. Come on.
White ball, get down there.
White ball, white ball.
PJ, you're supposed to be up. PJ, you're supposed to be up here. Jaxel, go low. Go low. Follow your shot. Back, 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 back. Guard. Set it up. PJ, you're up. You're up. You're up. Go, go, cut. Go, go, go. Away! Run the offense! Set it up! Go! Look at Zion. Look at Zion. Too late. Up, up, up!
Defense! Defense!
Go get Zion.
Defense! Defense! Defense!
Pass the ball! Cut! Pass! Pass the ball! Pop, PJ!
It's just not. I know it's able to. Zion, come on. Zion, Zion.
Zion, get off! Hey, you gotta call him off. No, you didn't. He's still on the court. Go box it out.
We're down like 12 against Cyprus.
Get ready to run the offense. Run it correctly. Go. Cut. Look at him. Go over. Jackson, stay back. Jackson. Jackson, just stay on him on defense.
Go, get it back. Start the offense,
Boston, you're a statue there. Are you moving? Hey, Omari, over here. Now go. No, the other way. Omari, it's here.
Go, run it.
Go the other way.
No, it's over.
Jeremiah, over there. Jackson, watch him. Hey, get a man now. Get a man. PJ, get a man. Box out!
Let's go. Knock him down. Let's go.
Kenny, go get a Lori.
Yeah.
Jeremiah, make sure you watch him. What did I just tell Jeremiah? What did I just tell Jeremiah? Hey, what did I just tell you on that free throw? Watch that guy. And who scored? Look at me. I'm asking you a question. Who scored? One, two, three. Jaxel, PJ, and Jeremiah. Go. You know who you should call it out each? Hey, you gotta want it. Look at me, Boston. You gotta want it. You gotta want it. Too much. You overplayed. Run the offense. Stay wide. Are you kidding me? What are we doing, dude? Go get Boston. Go get Boston. Keep the ball up, not down. There comes a time, come here, in your career, you're going to have to realize that you're a big man, and you bringing the ball low is your nemesis. Is your nemesis, okay? High, go high. Go cut. Come on, Jaden. Let's go. Yeah, you're slow. You're slow. I told you. 3, run it correctly. 3, run it correctly. Katie, where are you? Spread out. Jack's out. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. What the hell was that? Up. Jaden, you're up. Jack Sal's back. Shoot it. Up. Hey, over here. So on our press, listen to me, on our press. You guys want to score? All right. So on our press, right? You good? So we got 2, right? On our press, we got 2 up. We got 2 back, and we got 1. Or we got 2, 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So bring up 2. Jackson will go back. All they're doing is passing and then getting it back to the middle. So who's ever on the weak side's got to come over, just automatically come middle. They're going to try to get it to that guy. That's the interceptor right there. Okay. Is it our ball? Hey, is it our ball? Is it our ball? All right, we're on defense. Let's go. Cobra's Army, Cobra 3. 1, 2, 3, Cobra. Hey, we're in this. It's only 13 points, whatever it is. So don't worry about it. Let's go. Hey, you got to get the pass. Defense. Huh? 2, 3. Emery drop. Run the ball. Floor it. Aiden, let's go. All the way through. All the way through. Up. Middle. There we go. Come on. Up.
11, black.
Set up.
Hey, Sean, why are you backing up on the side?
Set up. Hey, good job. No, it's white ball. Is it white ball?
Yeah.
White ball. 3. White ball. 3.
That's good. Hey, white line! White line! Hey, white line! What? You just ran over. So they got the point, now it's football. That's what I mean. Hey, protect the basket.
Jack Sal, you come here. Jaden, go to the corner. Aiden, hey, you're this way and going baseline. This way, go baseline. Inside position. Too late. Jaden, that's on you. You should have been up. Hey, come on. No, this way. No, this way. Stop going that way. Cut. Aiden, get out of there. Get out. Now go. Get back. Travel.
You're standing around
Up. Stay up. Hey, worry about man. He's worried about ball. No, not. I'm saying you're worried about the ball too much. Worry about the man in your area not getting the ball. Let's go, box out, play the rebound. Kenny, you pick a side to go to wherever the ball goes. Go, Kenny. Kenny, call for the ball. Jaxel, go low. Aiden, you two, go low. Go. Timeout. Full timeout. Fucking ball. Sit down.
Water.
Get the waters. Let's go. What offense were we just running right there? What were you doing over here then waiting when the ball came on this side? The ball just came on this side. What did you do? You stood there. It's a cut over. Are we going to start running this correctly?
Yes, sir.
You wonder why you guys are losing like this. Get your head in the game.
Yes, sir.
Stop running along on defense.
Yes,
you got to stop the ball.
Yes, sir.
That was on you. That last bucket's on you because he had to come over to help you, right?
Yes, sir.
That's right. You stay with, I don't care what they do. You stay with that big man.
Yes,
if they can't play their defense, they're coming back off the court. Yes, that's your last warning. Yes, Cobras on me, 1, 2, 3, Cobras.
Oh, we not out.
You enjoying this, honey? More! Get off the paint. More! Out! 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 Jaxel! Out here! Out here! Now go! Spread out! Out! Right there! Turn and shoot the dang ball! Stop the ball! There's Shaden again. There's Shaden again. Hey, Jaden! Nice defense! Yeah, good. I don't care. Let him foul out. He's that bad. It's horrible.